This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Derik Baumgartner. 1 bed 1.5 bath first floor corner condo. Sliding glass doors open to spacious glass enclosed porch with storage closet. Accordion hurricane shutters. New rim AC in 2016. Parking space right at back door. Vacant and ready for showings. Great location, just a short walk to community clubhouse with pool, dance hall, library, gym, shuffleboard and workshop. Close to shopping, restaurants, and beaches. Interview required prior to closing. Please visit www.vistapines.com for application and rules and regulations. Sold is with right to inspect. $100 application fee. No pets or pickup trucks. For more information, review the details below or contact Derik Baumgartner at 772-283-2800.